All right, back with another one. But yeah, gotta take them out, let them exercise, let them get their zoomies out because she's just now starting to settle down. I think I've been out here for like a good 35 minutes. But yeah, like I was saying on YouTube, I don't know what pressing scenarios that others YouTube have been around, but definitely not no couch potatoes and a walk to the mailbox and back. We done did that twice already, and she still worked up. And the only reason why I'm probably about to bring her inside now is because sun's coming out, these horse flies coming out. I ain't trying to get stung. That is not enjoyable. But yeah, she's still ready to go. She could probably go around this block 3 more times before she tire out. And see what I'm saying? But nonetheless, I do gotta make sure that I start taking her out more. It's just